Hi, welcome to Internshala's training on programming with Python. I'm Pi, your friend, philosopher, and guide in this learning journey. I'm what people might call a geek, probably because I love programming so much. Did you know that Dropbox, YouTube, Reddit, Instagram, Quora, and even BitTorrent use Python? Python is so versatile that it can be used to create applications for image processing, graphic design, 3D modeling, or scientific data processing to name a few. I find Python an awesome programming language. It's easy to learn, flexible, and open source. Python has such widespread use that Python developers are always in great demand. In this training, you will learn to build programs in Python. And I hope that you fall in love with Python, just like I did. For people who are new to programming and have no prior knowledge, worry not. This training comes with training wheels so that you start with some basic concepts and gradually move into more complex programming and syntax. If you work a little hard and spend time on the training, I'm pretty sure you will be writing your own programs by the end of 6 weeks. I suggest you spend at least 2 hours daily on this training. The table displayed below will help you distribute your time across various modules. This training is packed with engaging video and text lessons, quizzes, practice exercises, and assignments to help you learn efficiently. Feel free to go back and forth in a video or pause it to study the code being displayed. You can keep track of your progress in the training using the progress tracker. The progress tracker also has relevant downloads that become available as you progress. These include problem statements for assignments and the final project, ideal solutions, and the training certificate. In this training, modules 1 to 6 are learning modules and module 7 is an information module. These are followed by a project. In the first module, you will learn some basic programming concepts that form the building blocks of Python. In the second module, you will learn about combining the building blocks to create linear programs. In the third and fourth module, you will learn how to add conditions to create non-linear programs. Come prepared here because you will meet my mom in these modules. In the fifth module, you will learn how to link programs to a database so that they may store or retrieve data. And finally, in the sixth module, you will learn to build a graphical user interface. Once you have completed the modules, the training wheels are off. You will work on a project to build a fantasy cricket league game. You will program a game in Python that allows players to create their own fantasy teams and rate their performance to get points. Exciting stuff, right?
If you get stuck somewhere, you can always use the forum to post your queries anytime. You can see your posted queries under My Conversations tab, and you can also see the instructor's answer to your queries in the same tab. Also, whenever your query is answered by the instructor, you will see a red dot over the bell icon like this.
So, an exciting Python adventure awaits you. What are you waiting for? Happy journey!